Do the deep inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do the Om chanting 3 times followed by prayer. Inhale. Join your hands together. Sehna bhavatu Sehnau bhunaktu Seh viryam karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vishambhahe Om Shanti 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 Hari Bow down towards all the divine. Gently come up. Hands in Dhyan Mudra. Now let's do first round of Kapalbhati. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, very good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Relax. Bring back your breathing at the normal pace. Catch your breath. Let's do second round of Kapalbhati. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Catch your breath. Let's do the deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more round of inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do the second round of Antar Kumbha, internal breath retention for 15 seconds only. Inhale and hold. Release slowly and gently. Inhale. Exhale. Catch your breath. Now slowly open your eyes. Slowly. Okay, now let's swing our body from right hand to left hand. Regular one only. Inhale. Stretch towards right hand side. Again to your left hand side. To your right hand side. Press your elbow on the mat. To your left hand side. One more round. Towards right hand side. To your left hand side. Let's do the spine twisting. Inhale in the center. Raise your hands up. Hands touching to your earlobe and twist to your right hand side. Twist to your spine. Sit straight. Head up. Head up, Vinita. And yes, look straight in the back. Again, come up. Inhale. And towards your left hand side. And stay here. Stay here. Very good. And very good, Vinita, Anita, Dhanalakshmi. Relax. Once again, come in the center. Raise your hands up towards right hand side and stay here. Give a good stretch. Give a good stretch. Stay. Again, come in the center. Raise your hands up and towards left hand side. Stay in your left hand side. Relax, come in the center. Raise your hands up and drop down your forehead in the front of your mat. Try to touch your forehead to the mat. Vinita, come in the center. Raise your hand up. Vinita. Now come up and relax. Vinita, can you on the side? Okay. From here, come in Padmasana. Okay, do try first in Padmasana. If you are not able to do, then I'll explain you the option. Come in Padmasana. Okay, and once you are in Padmasana, place your hands down and try to lift your body up. If you feel you cannot lift, place your block just near to you and then lift your body up. Okay? Yes, everyone come quickly. Place the block just next to your side and lift your body up. Lift your body up. Very good, Anita. Very good. On my count, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come down. Now you may open your leg. Come in Dandasana. What happened, Dhanalakshmi? Up. Nahi kiya? Nahi hua? You couldn't do? Unmute your... Sorry? What happened?
It touched the ground.
Okay, so how you will... No, place the block na here. Then lock your elbow.
Yeah, I can't.
Inhale, and while exhaling, once you will exhale, your body will be light. With the exhalation, lift your body up. Okay? Once again. Vinita, try to come in Padmasana. If not, you try in Sukhasana only, normal only. Okay? Place your hands down to the mat and then try to lift your buttock up. Anita, use it. Do it again with everyone, please. Do it. Try it. Dhanalakshmi, try it. If you are not able to do it Padmasan, it's okay. Do it in Sukhasan. Normal only. Fold your leg, normal sitting. Fold your leg, how you're sitting. Then do it. Yes. Hand try, lift, lock your elbow. Inhale on the mat and exhale, lift your body up. Down, relax. It requires lot of strength. Okay, fine girls. Now stretch. Okay, come up on the mat. Come up in the mat. We'll do few round of Surya Namaskar. You girls can do it quickly. I will explain the poses to Vanita. Alright, come in the front of your mat. Hands, leg position should be just, yes, very good. Now, is there some sthiti? Vanita, come in the center of your mat. Change your mat position, please. Vanita, change your mat position. Change directly, yes, quickly come in the front of your mat. This is my mat. Come in the front.
Okay.
Very good. Forward, little forward. At the top of your mat, at the front of your mat, more. You can't understand. You are now right. Come little at the top of your mat. Very good. Now, okay. Now though I can't see you, but you can see me, right? Now join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. This is the first asana of Surya Namaskar. Inhale, exhale here. Now inhale and raise your hands up. Look at me. Inhale from here. Raise your hands up. Ear touching to the earlobe. Hands touching to the earlobe and just try to bend your spine. Slightly go back. Okay. And hold here. Hold here everyone. In Hastottanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now drop down everything. Upper body drop down and try to touch your feet. Everyone, both legs, your toe, try to touch your toe. Good. Knee will be locked, Vinita. Now right leg backward, right leg only. Right leg back. This is Asana Sanchalanasana. Left leg backward. Bring your left side back. Now, this come in Adho Mukhasana. Adho Mukhasana. Lift your knee up. Very good. Now, tuck your knees, toe and chin together. Astang Namaskar. Very good, Vinita. Very good. Touch your chin also. Tuck your chin to the mat. Now, come in Bhujangasana. From directly Astang Namaskar to Bhujangasana. In Bhujangasana, you will place your lower body on the mat. Elbow tuck. Bended leg. Elbow not straight. Bend your elbow slightly. Tuck to your body. Now inhale and look up. From here again, go back in Adho Mukhasana. Lock your knee. Lift your knee up. Very good. From here, right leg forward once again in Asana Sanchalanasana. Right leg forward. Very good. Left leg forward. Hands up, raise in the sky. Hastottanasana. Come back. Inhale. Exhale in Namaskarasana. So this is half round of the Surya Namaskar. We'll do just now. We have done this from the right hand side. We'll do from the left hand side also. Alright. Let's start. Inhale, center. Join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Raise your both hands up in the sky. In Hastottanasana. Down. Padhastasana. Left leg. Bring your left leg backward. Asu Sanchalanasana. No, everyone will come in Asu Sanchalanasana. Everyone. Dhanalakshmi, please align your foot and knee. Knee are got, yes, huh. But when you are placing your hand down, your knee is coming forward. Knee will be just above your ankle. Alright. From here, right leg back side and go in Adho Mukhasana. Tuck your knee, chest, chin down. Astang Namaskar. Everyone, Astang Namaskar. And let's come in in Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana. Hold here. Look up. Look up. Try to look at the back right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again in Adho Mukhasana. Adho Mukhasana. Bring your left leg forward. Asu Sanchalanasana and look up and look at the front. Gaze at one particular point. Bring your left leg forward, right leg forward in Padhastasana. Everyone, yes. Drop your head also, Vinita. Please drop your complete body. Drop. From here, lift your upper body up. Hastottanasana. Very good. Come in. Namaskarasana. One round is done. Okay. Now let's do few variations. Hastottanasana. Join Namaskarasana. Center on the Namaskarasana. Everyone, inhale, exhale here. Raise your hands up in Hastottanasana. Padhastasana. Everyone in Padhastasana. From Padhastasana, let's come in Utkatasana. Utkatasana. It's just you are sitting on chair. Hold here, relax. Hold. Go down slowly. Go down. Go down. Very good. Very good. From Utkatasana, drop your hand down. Left, right leg backside. Bring right leg backside. Okay. And this left leg is just next to my both hand. My leg is out. Okay. And lift your knee up. Knee up. See, it's like this. My complete body is up.
Ritu, we said I have to keep 2 hands.
Yes, like we are doing Asu Sanchalanasana, right? It's
Is it correct?
this is correct, but I can't see where is your head. Okay, it's like it's quite similar to Asu Sanchalanasana, but in Asu Sanchalanasana, my leg position is between my both hand.
Yeah.
Now my hand position is outside.
Yeah.
Okay, and this knee is lifted. Very nice, very nice. Hold here, look up. Uttan Prasth Asana. Alright. From here, just switch your body to your right hand side. Left hand on your left knee. Okay. And this Parskonasana. Parskonasana. Or you can use the block. Okay, place your hands and like this. This is Parskonasana. Everyone,
Correct?
show me. Yes, Anita, you are doing good. All right. From this, lift up. Just unlock your knee. Trikonasana. From Parskonasana to directly Trikonasana. Everyone, from Trikonasana, वापस come back in Asu Sanchalanasana. Asu Sanchalanasana. Left leg behind. Left leg behind. Come in Adho Mukhasana.
1 second.
Who is saying? Okay. From Adho Mukhasana, let's move forward your body. Plank position. Move your body forward. Very good. Anita, lift your buttock up. Very good. And look. Very good. Hold here. 1, 2, just 5. Lift your body up. 6. Okay. Again, come back in Adho Mukhasana. Now bring your left leg. Okay. Right leg forward. Sorry. Bring your right leg forward. But the leg will be out. Okay. Knee up. Knee up. Both the knee. Very good. And look up. Look up. From here, just twist your right leg side and come into Parskonasana. Parskonasana. Go down, Anita. Go down. Knee down, 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 down. Very good. In a one line. Okay. And hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, straight your knee. Straight your knee and come in directly from Parskonasana to Trikonasana. Directly. It just fold it. Just unfold your. Oh, sorry. Lock your knee up. From here, come back in Asu Sanchalanasana. Relax. Relax. From here, right leg, bring your right leg at the back. Adho Mukhasana. Adho Mukhasana. Everyone, from Adho Mukhasana, lift your body, bring your body in the front and come in plank position. Hold for 5 seconds. Lift your buttock up. Dhanalakshmi, lift your body up. 1, 2, more up. 3, 4, 5. Once again in Adho Mukhasana. Hold in Adho Mukhasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax in Shashankasana. Relax in Shashankasana. Relax everyone. Let's do one more round of plank position. Come in tabletop. Come in tabletop everyone. Come quickly. Now extend your left leg or right leg. Extend your right. Now let's extend your right leg also. And hold here. Drop down your buttock, Anita. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good, girls. 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax in Shashankasana once again. Okay, girls. Once again, come in tabletop position. Let's do the short plank or elbow plank or Chaturang Dandasana. Okay, this is actually Chaturang Dandasana is this. I'll not ask you to do that. Let's do the elbow plank. Tabletop. Fold your elbow for easy one. Okay, I don't want to give the complex. Interlock your hand. Now extend your left leg or right leg, anything. Now extend your second leg also and hold here. Very good, Anita. Oh, very good. 1. And look at the front. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 9, 10. Relax. Come on your mat. Relax in Makarasan. Relax in your Makarasan. Change the head position. Okay guys, now let's move towards the Salabhasan. Make Adi Mudra, fist. Come inside, then fold your finger, okay? And then place under your groin or the pubic bone. And while inhalation, you will just lift your lower body, just your leg, okay? Your head will be on the mat, your chin will be on the mat. On my count, inhale and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax everyone. Very good, Anita. Very good, Dhanalakshmi. Relax. Okay, relax. Let's do one more round of Bhujangasana, but with some modification. Okay, bring your left leg forward like this. Okay, let's do, Vinita. Yes, place your hands just next to your shoulder, your palm just next to the shoulder, okay, and your elbow tucked to your body. Now inhale here and lift up. This posture is for you, Anita, and for you, Vinita. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come down. Relax. Now let's do with the second leg also. Hand, leg up, and inhale and lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Come down. Relax. Remove your hands out, and come on your spine. Turn from your left hand side and come on your spine. And relax here. Relax for quite some time. Relax. Hold your leg and try to touch your complete spine on the mat. Okay. Now Vinita, concentrate. This one is for you especially. Rest you also will do, but Vinita especially for you. Now fold your right leg. Hold your right knee with your left hand and press it down to the mat and look at your right hand side. Both the shoulder will be on the mat. Supta Natarajasana. And hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax. Come back in the some sthiti. Relax. Now let's do with the left side also. Fold your left leg. Hold with the right hand and press it down to the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax, come back in normal position. Relax, relax, relax. Back down your body to your spine to the mat and down. Okay. Let's do the one round of Setu Bandhasan of Anita. We will be doing for 1 minute, and Vanita, you try to hold for the time whatever is comfortable for you. Okay. Okay. Good. Great. Okay. Now fold your leg. Hold your leg. Your leg should touch to your buttock. Okay, hand just next to your leg or your buttock, your thighs. Now inhale here and lift your buttock up. Lift your buttock up completely. You can interlock your hand. Interlock your hand to divert yourself. Lift, 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 Vanita, lift more. Lift more, buttock up, 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 up. Very good. More up. Lift your chest also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, Vanita. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Buttock up, Vanita. 7, 8, 9, 10. Buttock up. One more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly, 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 slowly come down. Relax. Now spread your leg. Spread your leg. Relax. 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 Okay. Lift your leg up. Interlock your leg with the hand. And relax your while inhale back. While exhaling, lift your neck up and hold here. 1. This is Pawan Muktasan. 2. Try to touch your forehead to your knee. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 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 Everyone come on the mat in Sithal Dandasan. Sithal Dandasan. If you want, you can sit on block your cushion or some blanket also slightly. Okay? Let's do come quickly. Fold your right leg and sit in half Padmasan from right leg. Everyone? Okay, good, good. Now inhale, raise your hand up in the sky and go down. While exhaling, go down and touch your hand to toe. Hand to toe. And down. That's it. Drop it. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slowly come up, come up, come up. Relax. Relax. Now let's change the position. Change the position. Now right leg straight and Padmasana from left leg. Completely. Inhale and go down. Slowly, slowly. While exhaling, go down. And try to touch the toes. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4. Knee will be straight, girls. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Come up, come up, come up. Relax. And that's it for the day. You may open your leg. Just rotate your ankle. Rotate your ankle slightly and lie down in Savasana. Relax, everyone. Lie down in Savasana. Relax. Open your hand, open your toes. It's okay. Relax your body. Do the deep inhale, exhale. Let's do 11 count of deep inhale, exhale. Fill your stomach with the air and feel it. Inhale, exhale. Everyone, please do in your mind 11 counting and do the deep inhale, exhale. Slow and deep. Release all the stress which came because of this workout. The more oxygen you are taking in, you are relaxing your muscles more. Now just slowly move your palms, move your wrist, move your ankle, your head left to right, right to left. And now interlock your hands, bring your leg together and stretch over your head. Give a good stretch. Give a good stretch. And now let's turn from to your right hand side and stay here. Stay to your right hand side. you may sit. Lift from your right hand side with the help of your hand and come in any meditative position. Sit in any meditative asana, Siddhasan, Sukhasan, Padmasan, Bhadrasan, anything, whatever you are comfortable. Let's chant Om 3 times, followed by Santipat. Inhale. Join your hands together. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Bow down towards all the divine with the gratitude. Rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. Now you may open your eyes by looking on your palms gently and slowly. Slowly, slowly. Okay, thank you girls. Thank you so much.